you how to get the Minecraft trial version for 2024 quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. Getting started with Minecraft is super simple. The trial version is a great way to see if you like the game before buying it. Here's how you can get it. First, open your web browser and go to the official Minecraft website at minecraft.net. On the home page, click on Games. And select Minecraft from the top of the menu. You'll be taken to the Minecraft game page. Scroll down a bit and look for the Try Minecraft for free section. Here you'll find the option to download the trial version. Click on the Try Now button. Next, you'll be redirected to a page where you can choose the version of Microsoft you want to try. Minecraft offers trial version for both the Bedrock Edition and the Java Edition. Select the version that suits your device. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.